Got a special for you here. It was about 3 minutes night vision. First time out at the dairy farm with night vision set up. A little bit of a learning curve with it. Getting extra light with flashlights. Still trying to figure everything out if there's some camera settings to enhance. His first rabbit. Leaned right over. Took a extra shot on this rabbit. Make sure, it's kind of tough to see. All in all, it was worked out very well. If I can remember to hit the record button on it, I would have had 5 rabbits on this. What we ended the night with. I got 2 on camera. Or that, or I can't find the other.
Got it.
Is that the gunner or that house?
Another rabbit.
I took an extra shot on this guy too. Make sure it couldn't. Now watching over, didn't need to. He was already legs kicking.
Oh, good. Got to kicking.
Wanted to make sure. Up at the parlor. Taking a look in the rafters here. Click was getting the IR set up.
Huh, there he is.
Didn't feel very steady. Took a breath here and drew back up on him. Clean kill. Here's another one. And some Jedi tricks here. Freeze frame on the pellet through the slow-mo. Shows may have led the eye a little bit to the right and might have scratched his nose, and he pulled his head back and flew off like nothing happened.
There's another one.
Besides being scared to death. But there's a good clean kill here. Just above the breast meat. Good bird for the freezer. Right through the upper vitals and neck. Clean miss of the meat. Scanning around again here.
Look at that. You got another one, Jay. See it?
Yeah.
There's 2 right there.
And this concludes the first night vision installment at the Air Gunning Colorado channel. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if there's not another one out, Merry Christmas.